Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Desiree, and what I have for you today is a very special meditation that is all about cultivating creativity, right? So you don't have to be an artist or a creative to be a creator, right? So you don't have to possess artistic skills. You don't have to work in a creative environment in order to essentially create the life that you want. If you are a living, breathing human, you possess the energy that you need to create exactly what you want. Meditation is the pathway to ascend the ego and to detach from the suffering that dwells in the mind. Right? So thinking is in the mind, feeling is in the heart. In this meditation, I will guide you to detach from passing thoughts. I will guide you to feel into your body. I will guide you to keep your mind focused on your heart. So there is an infinite abundance of wisdom that dwells inside of you, right? I want you to find a comfortable seat, right? So you can sit upright, right? And allow your senses, your inner senses, to reveal this well to you. So take a few moments getting comfortable. Right, some place where you don't have to fidget or wiggle. Right, and once you get all those jitters out, then go ahead and close the eyes. Allow your external senses, right, to start to detach and move away from your environment, the space that you're in. So you start to walk inside yourself and engage with your internal senses. Right, so I want you to just kind of feel over all the edges, all the crevices, all the corners. Right, tap into feeling, thoughts, heart, mind, body. And just take a look around. And then I want you to bring your attention to the center of your being. Right? And I want you to create what that is to be very unique and special to you. Right? If there's a specific place or, however you can define that center. Like I said, that there is this well that is deep inside of you. And I want you to think of that well being in that center. That is at the root and the seat of that center of your being. And as you look in that well, I want you to just imagine that this well is endless. I want you to focus on what this well looks like, the depth of it, if there are walls to it, if there is water in it or not, or anything else that, again, you can create and imagine that this well looks like, so it's personalized to you. Give yourself some time to just ruminate and be with observing this well and taking in all the details. As open and infinite as this well is, let this well be symbolic of your sitting practice today. Thoughts are going to come in and out. Stories are going to pass you by. People, places, and things will come into your attention. But your main focus is going to be on this infinite well inside of you. Feel free to explore this well with all of your inner senses. But again, just focus on being with the well. Periodically check back in to your focal point, to that well. Again, when all these other characters and things want to come into your awareness, just redirect all thoughts back to this well. I want you to envision your center start to fill up and take on the attributes of this well. Slowly start to acclimate, becoming the well, right, and how that feels, how that looks, how that may sound, and also how that may even smell or taste. But just allow that well and yourself to just become one in this present moment. You are an endless well of possibility. You're an endless well of abundance. You are all of these things when you detach from the mind chatter that stands in your way from accessing these things. This well never runs dry. This well never closes up. As long as you keep your focus on this center. If you can stay with your practice, then continue to ruminate in these feelings, in this experience. If you need to end your practice and come out with me, slowly want you to bring your awareness to your body, in the space that you're in. Start to pull your attention from the internal and just softly integrate it with your external environment. Turn the ears on, turn the skin on. And then when you're ready, go ahead and open up your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, I would love to hear from you and hear about your meditation experience in general. So thank you again, and have a great rest of your day.